Hi there, in this video we're going to be constructing an equilateral triangle, a triangle with equal sides and equal angles, and to do that we're going to need first of all a ruler, and then once we've got a ruler we're going to use a pair of compasses to do it. Now for this particular triangle what I want to do is I want the sides to be 5 centimeters, and that means I'm going to need to draw the first one, so starting at 0 going along to 5. So there's my first side, my 5 centimeter side. The temptation is to just carry on with the ruler and try and make them match up, but if you're in an exam, for example, if you wanted to do an accurate drawing, you need to use a pair of compasses, so that's what we're going to need next, which I've got one here. What I'm going to need to do is make sure that the point and the pen are 5 centimeters apart, so I'm going to use the line I've already drawn, extend them so they're 5 centimeters apart, and then just rotating it around. Now I'm going to draw in part of my arc there without changing the size of the compass, changing the 5 centimeters between the point and the nib. Just going to switch it around, rotate it around, and do an arc from the other end of our original 5 centimeter line. What we've done there is basically found out if you attached two 5 centimeter hinges, 2 5 centimeter sides to these ends with hinges, and they flapped around, we can now see where they'd meet. And in fact, they'd meet where the two lines cross. So that's where we draw our two sides from. And that is our equilateral triangle. Probably worth just checking. There you go, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. And at this point you might just want to think to yourself, what would the angles inside each of those corners be? And what I suggest you do is you get yourself a piece of paper, pencil, ruler and compasses and try it yourself.